Y'all, this feels so gross. This is a lot of gel. Maybe I'm putting too much gel, but this is a lot of gel and it just feels nasty. And this is gonna take forever to dry. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I am CurlySue91, and if this is your first time, welcome. So I had been seeing the wet look around Instagram and YouTube for a while now, and I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try. And I had like one major concern. It used a lot of gel. So that was my biggest concern, along with the fact that a lot of YouTubers use the Wetline gel. And I decided, yeah, I'll use the Wetline gel, but I paired it with a softer gel so I don't have that hard cast when I actually finish up and dry up the hairstyle. So if you came to see how I got the wet look done, then stay tuned. So my hair has been washed, deep conditioned, and I have moisturized with the James Carter Curl Defining Cream. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unravel my strands. Okay, it's already been detangled and everything, so we don't have to worry about much. Then I'm going to apply the Wetline Xtreme Gel. Now make sure when you're applying the gel, you pay close attention to those roots, because if you want this hairstyle to lie down, you're gonna have to gel up the top. And the next gel I'm going to use is the Ampro Pro Style Curl Enhancer. And instead of this, I really wanted to use this gel, but I ran out and the stores don't have it, so we're gonna just use this one. All right, and then you just apply a generous amount of that to your hair, well, to my hair. All right, and once that's done, I'm just gonna keep on doing that for every section until I get to the top. Okay, so I'm done applying the gels to my hair, and now I'm just going to go ahead and unravel them and use my Denman brush to like brush them down. This is how the back of my hair currently looks, and I'm just gonna keep on doing that. Since my hair is all back and I kind of want it to stay back and I know it's gonna shrink up, as you can see it's short, I'm gonna just take some scrunchies and I'm gonna just put them in the back of my head to keep my hair down, almost like when I stretch out my hair so it doesn't shrink too badly. So it's gonna just stay in the back of my hair like this. And then now I'm gonna work on my edges, and y'all know I hate doing my edges. I don't do all that crap. So let's just see what I can do with this. Okay, so I have this Marie's Edge wax that I'm gonna use on my edges today. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and wrap my hair. Alright, and I'm just gonna rock this and let it air dry and come back and see if it's dry enough. So I'll see y'all in probably a lot of hours.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, so I'm back and I literally spent all day with this on and I went under the dryer. So it doesn't like feel completely dry, maybe like 95% dry, but I need to take this out because I need to go about my business. So this is how it looks in the back. Okay, so I'll just take this out. And remember, I put a little ponytail on it to try to keep it down a little bit. So I'm going to take this out. And that is like still kind of wet. Yeah, it hasn't completely dried, obviously. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this edge wax on here because you could see this here flying away, right? Okay, we need that to stay in place. Okay. Oh, y'all, I just feel like I have these frizzy ends here, so I'm gonna go and use some of the Jane Carter solution. And just go ahead and like get some of the ends of my hair looking a little less frizzy than they do right now. Okay, let me show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, to be honest with you guys, this style uses way too much gel. And you know, I use two different types of gel, so I don't really have a hot cast on my hair, and my hair is like 90% dry right now. So I don't really have a hot cast. I don't have a hot cast on my hair, but y'all, the amount of gel, it's just, it's yucky. I don't like this hairstyle. Too much gel in my hair for this. No, sis, it's a no for me. It's just a no for me. Now, I wouldn't call this a fail. I wouldn't call this a win. I'd just call it a I won't do it again. Look, if you have any suggestions of what could have made the hairstyle better, which I don't think you could make this hairstyle any better, or any suggestions, any comments, then go ahead and put it down in the comment section. But y'all, it's a no for me. Sorry, not sorry. I don't get the hype. It's not for me. At least I can't do with all that gel. Ugh.